Follow these steps to remove the Red Bull 250 milliliter front spacer kit from your Model 3578 vending machine. Make sure your machine is powered off. Because this selection for 250 milliliter and Red Bull cans is smaller, you'll need to move the front product retainer door back toward you so that it is against the front of the selection. Next, remove the small funnel slide on the inside edge of the center filler. Remove the large funnel slides on the common spacers on the right side of the selection. Unhook and remove the top and bottom common spacers from the right side of the selection. Remove the mounting hook at the top and the bottom. Now, on the left side, move the latch striker back to its original position at the front of the selection. Remove the large funnel slides on the left side of the selection. Remove the common spacer in the top and funnel spacer at the bottom. Now remove the mounting hook at the top and the bottom. Close the product retainer door and turn your machine back on.